The nice thing about where the holidays fell this year is that we get 2 weeks off for winter break. So it is so nice. My husband already went back to work today. It is January 2nd, and I have off until the 6th, which is awesome. So today I'm going to tackle some decluttering, and I'm going to start with clothing. My clothing drawers are overfilled, yet I have nothing to wear, which means I'm not wearing the things that are in there. So let's get rid of some things. Let's start with my drawers. This middle one here, look, I can barely open it. Yet I can tell you I'm not wearing all of these shirts. So first things first, let's tackle this. Okay, I pulled all of this stuff out of my closet. I'm going to go through some of it I no longer wear, but some of it I do wear, but not in the winter. So I'm going to put some things away for the winter. Over here I have my pile of stuff that I am giving away. Look, this one hurt, you guys. Those of you who were with me with VIP Kid. I'm giving away Dino, but I can't justify keeping it. I never wear it. Then a whole bunch of stuff that I'm putting away for the winter. Obviously, I'm not wearing Mrs. Claus suit anymore because it's after Christmas, but I actually did wear it when it was dressed like a Christmas character day at school. Here's my pile of other things to get rid of. Here are some purses, which we cleaned out my mother-in-law's Florida house, and I took the purses thinking I would use them and never did, so I should have just donated them there. It a little bit pains me to get rid of this onesie, but I never wear it. It's not even practical. You can't even go to the bathroom very easily in it. This was my maybe pile. I really like this sweater. It's one of the long cardigans. I haven't worn it in a while. I'm gonna keep it for another year, and if I don't use it, painful. I really thought about getting rid of this. I just can't right now. I'm going to give it another year, but we all know I earned it. And I did actually wear this one day when it was Wear Orange Day at school. And then met another former VIP Kid teacher who came up and talked to me because I was wearing it. Oh, I just can't get rid of this right now. Let me know if you got rid of your VIP Kid hoodie sweatshirt. 4 bags ready to go to Goodwill. Now I'm going to tackle this. One thing a day. This pile is tank tops that need to go in the summer clothes. Then I have t-shirts for working out or hanging around the house. School shirts, just regular t-shirts. This is my pile of stuff I'm getting rid of. And this is the pile that needs to go in my regular drawer. And don't mind the dog toys. And the good thing about decluttering is you can actually assess what you really need. So I had a drawer full of shirts I wasn't wearing and I got rid of them, and now I had room to buy more. I realized I need in-between shirts, like long sleeve, t-shirt type long sleeve shirt, and a couple sweaters and sweatshirts. I bought one. They were all on sale, so that was good, like $3 for shirts, $9 for a sweatshirt, which is really good. Home from the store, and now I'm going to try on the shirts from Walmart, and today I'm going to work on dresses. Okay, so I took the approach of just taking pictures and doing voiceovers because my daughter was trying on dresses and she doesn't like to be on camera, and I wanted to spend time with her. I'll show you what dresses I decided to keep and which ones I decided to give away. All right, so these are the ones I'm giving away. This is an old Flower Girl dress, actually of a cousin of ours who then gave it to us for dress up. This dress fit me, but it was just, I only like it so-so, and I did already wear it to a wedding. This one no longer fits, it's too big, but I did wear it to an event. It does have a rip in it, so someone who finds it at Goodwill probably be willing to sew the rip. My daughter wore this as a Flower Girl dress in a wedding. It does have a stain on it. This was the one I was already showing you. Cute dress, but now is way too big on me, and I did wear it before. Wore this in my sister's wedding. Actually doesn't fit me. It looks like it fits in the picture of me with it, but it would not zipper up the back. It's a size 2, so. Super cute, and I actually have gotten a lot of use out of it. I wore it to my sister's rehearsal dinner, and I think I've worn it other times before, maybe church and things like that. These are the ones I'm keeping. Love this dress. It actually is a little loose on me now.
it fit when I first got it, but I still could wear it. I think I would have to pin, this part's a little low cut, but I would have to pin it. This one's my daughter's dress, which, oh, it's inside out, which didn't look good on her. She didn't like it. We have different body shapes, and then I tried it on. It looked really good on me. This one's a little loose on me, but everyone could use a basic black, and it's a long sleeve dress. You never know if you have a funeral. I could always put a shawl on with it. Here's the shawl. Okay, guys, my rehearsal dinner, my own rehearsal dinner 24 years ago. Can you believe that? And it still fits. Go me. This one is super cute. I actually love it. I love the color. I love polka dots. It is so loose on me, but I never got a chance to wear it. So I'm going to keep it for now, and if another year or so I don't wear it or I don't gain the weight back, I will get rid of it. Before I tried this one on, I was going to get rid of it. I actually bought this for a wedding that ended up getting called off, but I still wore it for one of my husband's events, for one of his work events. So I still did get to wear it. And I love pink, but this shade of pink isn't something I would have chosen. But after trying it on, I love it, and it fits great again. This is a super casual dress. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. It's more of a sundress you could wear to the beach. I've worn it wine tasting, at camping before, so it fits again. This one has stood the test of time. I've actually gotten a lot of use out of it, but it's versatile. You can wear it with anything. It's good for a funeral because it has a lot of flowy room in the stomach. I even have worn it when I was pregnant. So I'm gonna keep this one. You can always use a basic black dress. This one, bought it years ago and then never had a chance to wear it, gained some weight and couldn't wear it, and now it fits again and looks great. So I am excited about this one. I love this one, more of a casual beach type dress. I am doing shoes. Some of them can be given away, some thrown away, and some can just be put away for the summer. All right, let's start. I always say I'll wear these in the summer, and I never do because it's so cold inside. So let's just get rid of these. All right, these are all shoes that just can be put away for the summer or for the winter and taken out again in the summer. Rain boots. I bought them specifically for soccer because there are some tournaments where you have to stand out in the rain. I don't use them that often, so, and for now I'll be wearing snow boots. So let me put these. This is my pile of throwaway. They would not even be, I can't even give them away. This is my pile of giveaway. Now it really hurt to get rid of these boots. My daughter convinced me. I did get a lot of use out of them, but I haven't worn them in probably like 10 years, give or take. I struggled with these as well. I like them. They're comfortable in as they have arch support, but they don't have a lot of cushion. I don't always have blue to wear them with. I'm gonna keep them for another year, and if I don't wear them this summer, I will definitely get rid of them. Look how many unopened pair of slippers I have. 2 of them are from this year, but one was from last year. Usually I hang on to slippers and then open each one when the other ones get bad. I get them every year for Christmas. My mom asked me if I wanted them this year. I should have said no. Had I done this earlier, I would have seen I already have slippers. Then I have dress shoes, which I only wear on special occasions, but you still have to keep them around in case you have a special occasion. I had 3 weddings this past year, so you do need them sometimes, but look how much space is in there. And I could even get rid of some of the sandals and flip-flops I could put underneath my bed if I get something to store them in. I wasn't planning on doing my pantry today, but my husband spilled his coffee while trying to look for something and actually asked me if I would do it today. So I'm going to focus on this shelf, which is all the Tupperware and different water bottles that we never use. So here I took the approach of taking all of it out and putting it on my kitchen table, and then I'm gonna go through each thing and decide what I'm keeping, what I'm getting rid of, and slowly but surely put it back in the pantry. I went through and look, these were the Tupperware that I found tops for, keeping those because I use them. I wanted to keep things I'm going to donate.
My husband's pile, and he can go through these when he gets home from work.
Cups and things I'm just going to throw away.
Tops without something.
Okay, this is minus the cups that my husband still needs to go through, but doesn't that look so much more
better and manageable? Okay, my goal is to do 2 declutterings today because I have the time. So I almost skipped out on the second one. So I'm going to do the upstairs closet, which has a bunch of bags I'm not using, luggage, a few coats. So wish me luck as I tackle that.
Okay, this is what I'm tackling.
The suitcase is out, and this is what I'm left with. All these bags that some we use, some we don't. And then I will go through the coats.
This is my pile that I'm getting rid of.
Look at this. This jacket I wore and then my daughter wore. This is a kid size small. I don't even have kids that age. And then just a whole bunch of bags that don't use anymore.
Or used it one time that I'm getting rid of. Just never did anything with it. Some of these are sentimental. I actually use this lunchbox, and I used this recently on a trip, and yeah, I used that. I'm on the fence about this one. It's super cute. It's supposed to be a lunchbox, but I don't use it. I think I got it at Goodwill as well, so I won't even feel bad, but it is cute. I'll think about it.
I have a confession to make to you. I do not want to do it today. I have lost motivation. What is keeping me going is you doing this video. So if you want to keep up motivation for decluttering even when you don't want to, do a YouTube video if you're a YouTuber. Anyways, I'm gonna tackle something small today just because I so don't want to do it, and I'm making myself do it anyway. I don't have the excuse of I don't have time because I'm off for a snow day today. So I'm going to tackle one of my Creative Memories scrapbooking bins, and probably I'm going to give most of the stuff away, or some I might keep for teacher purposes.
Here I am in my unfinished basement. I'm tackling this one today, and as you can see, I've got a bunch of pictures and things in there that I need to go through. So I'll let you know how it went when I'm finished. This gem that I found. So my daughter used to scrapbook with me when she was younger, and she made this book. So you can tell a kid did it, but that is so special. Definitely keeping this.
All right, I must admit I never did finish. I'll have to finish tomorrow. I just wasn't into it today. I'm gonna go put highlights in my hair. So
remember I said that I was not in the mood yesterday? I never did finish, so I've got everything in piles that I need to sort and organize. So I'm gonna finish this and do one other thing. I must say that this was a little tedious, but in here I have the stuff I'm keeping, just pictures and pictures, and then these pictures from somebody. These albums were half-done albums that my daughter did, and I did just stick some half-done pages and pictures in them. Found an album that I was going to give to my mother, but never did. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that to her, even though it's half done. And then 8x11 paper I can use for school. I can use to print things on or use them for projects, and some letters. Yes, you're looking at the floor of my unfinished basement. I am decluttering so that we can finish this basement. This is trash. I have this is all paper trash that can be burned. A bag full of stuff that is still good, but I will not use because, well, I don't scrapbook anymore. So I'm giving this to my cousin. Look, a full album, like a full Creative Memories album, and pages, and good paper, and all kinds of things, stickers. All right, that was so tedious. So for my second one, I'm starting with something easy. These are paper copies of questions and things I used to do for my out-school classes. And with all of them, I have digital copies. So I think I'm just going to throw them away. But I might keep the envelope for other things. Here's a pile of stuff that is going to the fire.
as you can see, I got a lot of decluttering done over the Christmas holiday. I won't have time to work on it again until
summer break. As you know, as teachers, we're busy during the school year. Let me know, did you get any decluttering done over your Christmas break? Back to my teaching content in the next video.